Monteupal. I am from Orissa, India, and I have completed my first part of education from Rourkela itself. After my first part of education, I had done my graduation from Sambalpur University, which is in Rourkela. And after doing my graduation, I had gone to Pune for my post graduation. My post graduation was in management, and marketing was my specialization, and my minor was operations. And after doing my post graduation, I was employed with Vesage Engineering in Rourkela. And in Vesage Engineering, my portfolio was to communicate with different groups of employees and their correspondents in the market. I was to give different portfolios for the employees and for the market as a whole. I Then after that I had joined iProcess India Private Limited in Delhi. And in iProcess India Private Limited, I was employed with ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, I was in charge of giving and communications and different portfolios for uh, different individuals who needed a personal loan, business loan, and gold loan. And I was in charge of taking all the documentation, taking care of all the documentation process of the gold loan, personal loan, and business loan. After completing 1 year in iProcess India Private Limited, I had joined Seneca College for public relations and corporate communication as a course at York campus. Why digital marketing and digital and content marketing? Digital and content marketing as a time of age has developed into something very big. And recently there are a plethora of opportunities in digital marketing and content marketing. As I am a very avid writer, and I love writing. And that is why content is something which is very close to my heart. And I would like to pursue content marketing and digital marketing. As you can see, the current pandemic has brought in different opportunities for digital marketers in the new digital and content marketing. Digital marketing has grown to become something very big in the recent time. Digital marketing is a thing which I would like to pursue, just because we can see that the dominance of digital marketing has come in the past 1 year, just because of the pandemic. Uh, Companies, different big companies, can only communicate to their customers and clients by the digital platform. And this and that is why I would like to do it, this course in digital marketing. Completing my post-graduation diploma in management, I came to know the powers of marketing and what are its effects on the market. And digital marketing is something which I would like to pursue in my career, just because it will be icing on the cake and a feather in my cap for my future endeavors of pursuing my career in